Lee's famous recipe. Chicken is set to make this Halloween extra special.
So from Saturday, October 28th until Tuesday, October 31st, chicken enthusiasts are invited to dress up as their favorite chick or chicken and share a photo on social media.
And Brooke and Josh join us to tell us all about it. Welcome.
Thank you. We're excited to be here today.
Okay, so if I dress up as a chicken and put it on social media, what else do I need to do?
So you post it, you add Lee's to it, and hey, you're in. So you can win all kinds of good prizes, $25 gift cards. So, and then we'll do the gift cards to the top 10 people. So just put it in the hashtag Lee's.
Does it matter which social media site we put it on?
We're going to be watching all of them.
Oh, wow.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So are we looking at this as a regional level, or is this
This is throughout
Lee's?
The Lee's system, yes, sir.
Yep. Excellent. All right, now let's talk about some of this other stuff that you've got going on in front of us here. All this good stuff. He's eyeballing like this was his, like he perfected it. Is that what happened?
Absolutely.
Why don't you tell us what we have out there?
Yeah, so at Lee's we're currently running two promotions. We are currently through the fall season running our chicken pot pie. And then we are also doing the 12-piece family meal. As seen here, we have a spicy, that is our slightly spicy crispy recipe and the famous original recipe. And that will come with 3 pint-side items and 6 biscuits. As pictured also, we have our sweet tea and our unsweet tea gallons.
Gotta have the sweet tea.
Absolutely.
It finishes
It's a
off
must.
the meal for sure. It looks amazing and smells amazing.
I know, right? So if we also want to participate, you all have an app, right?
We do have an app.
QR code, app.
QR code, yes, absolutely, QR code. But one great thing about Lee's is we partner with Gift-A-Meal. Okay. So, and I don't know if a lot of people know about Gift-A-Meal, but they work with the local food banks. So if you go into Lee's or you take it home and have Lee's, you take a picture on the Gift-A-Meal app, you send it in, every picture that they have, you get 1 free meal donated to the food banks. So we can do a whole lot of good with our guests, you know, us as Lee's, all donating, so we can take care of our neighbors in need.
That's fantastic.
And tell us, where do we have to post that again?
So you just go to Gift-A-Meal, you can download the Gift-A-Meal app, and you can take it from there.
And I'm reading over here on this little advertisement thing we've got here. You've got the rewards program, like everybody has adopted throughout the food industry. Tell us about that.
Oh, it's awesome. So we do chicken legs. So every purchase of $5 or more, you get a chicken leg, and you redeem after 7, you'll get a free 2-piece meal. And yes, that's right, a 2-piece meal. You get to pick if you want strips or if you want a regular bone-in chicken, and it's a free meal. Who could say no to that?
Right.
So,
Yeah, that's exactly right.
yeah.
And tell us a little bit about your Lexington location.
So I'll let Josh kind of talk about Lexington.
Yes, so all this food here was prepared here in Richmond Road. These will all be offered at Richmond Road, Richmond, Kentucky, in Berea and Corbin, all surrounding areas. We currently do only have 1 location in Lexington. Please stop by and check out the Richmond Road location and find out why we were voted #1 fast food fried chicken on USA Today.
Ooh,
congratulations.
And just as that alarm went off, it's hot.
It is
hot chickens.
right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank y'all for being here so much.
Awesome. You're welcome.